There comes a moment in life when you look at someone and realize they are not the person they used to be. Their words change. Their behavior changes. Their priorities change. And slowly, they start drifting away. Sometimes, they don't even tell you why. They just change. And it hurts. Because you gave them your time, your trust, your love, your loyalty. But life has a way of teaching the hardest lessons through the people we never expected. Today, this message is for you. To remind you that you are stronger than the people who changed on you. You are bigger than the pain they caused. And you are capable of rebuilding a life that no one can break again. Why people change? People don't always change because they want to hurt you. Sometimes they change because life pushes them to. Sometimes they change because they grow in a different direction. Sometimes they change because they don't value what you value. And sometimes they change because they never cared the way you cared. And that's the painful truth. Life is full of temporary characters. People come and go. Feelings rise and fade. Promises are made and broken. And nothing stays the same forever. But here is the secret. You cannot control who changes. But you can control how you respond. Acceptance is power. Your biggest strength is not holding on. Your biggest strength is knowing when to let go. You don't lose people. People lose you. They lose someone who cared. Someone loyal. Someone honest. Someone who would have given their all. Letting go doesn't mean you are weak. Letting go means you are wise enough to protect your peace. Your time. Your heart. The moment you accept that people will change, you stop expecting. And when you stop expecting, you stop hurting. How to stay strong when people change. Stop taking it personally. Most of the time, their change has nothing to do with you. It's their story. Their wounds. Their insecurities. Their path. You just happen to be part of their journey for a little while. Hold your self-respect. Someone's change should never make you question your worth. Whether someone values you or ignores you, you stay the same. Soft heart. Strong mind. Pure intentions. High standards. Focus on who stays. People who truly care don't disappear. They don't change overnight. They don't walk away when things get tough. Focus on those rare souls. They are your real strength. Grow through the pain. Pain changes people too. But the difference is, you get to choose whether pain breaks you or builds you. Turn your hurt into power. Turn your disappointment into discipline. Turn your loneliness into growth. Remind yourself you were enough. Their change doesn't mean you weren't good enough. It simply means you were good in the wrong place. To the wrong heart. To someone who didn't have the capacity to stay. The truth you must accept. People change fast. Yesterday they were interested. Today they don't care. Yesterday they said you matter. Today you feel like a stranger. Yesterday they needed you. Today they forgot you. But guess what? Your life is bigger than their presence. Your story is bigger than their exit. Your strength is bigger than their change. You survived everything you thought you wouldn't. And you will survive this too. Your future will thank you. One day. When you look back, you will be thankful that some people walked away. Because if they stayed, you would have never grown. You would have never learned self-respect. You would have never discovered your real strength. Some endings are blessings. Not punishment. Not failure. Just silent protection from God. From life. From destiny. And the moment you realize this, you stop chasing people. And start chasing purpose. Build a stronger you. Start focusing on what truly matters. Your goals. Your dreams. Your health. your mindset, your peace. When you build yourself, you attract better people. People who don't change suddenly. People who don't disappear when you need them. People who match your heart, your energy, your loyalty. Your future is waiting. And it is brighter than any person who left. So remember, if people change, let them. But you stay strong. You stay kind. You stay focused. You stay committed to becoming the best version of yourself. Because at the end of the day, people might change on you. But you will rise above it. You will survive. You will grow. You will win. This is your journey. This is your strength. This is your comeback. Keep going. Stair of Talk, keep climbing. Keep growing.